Happy Republic Day in the sense our country is really supposed to be democratic one. Not to speak of that, when the comparison is made, certainly we'll find it out that India comes apex. India comes apex in the sense uh, it is a big country in population. Not to speak of that, there is no sort of trouble, particularly in making the situation to be really supposed to be nice one, you can see here. When the matter is the matter of America, you must have seen the situation that the persons there got the turbulence in making the situation to be settled like that, you can see here. So in the year 1949, on the 26th November, this particular framing of this constitution was made. It was implemented on 26th January 1950. From that onwards, our country got Republic One. And this Republic One simply shows it over that whatever thing is done, that is done on the basis of Constitution. Constitution is not only mere a book, it is the Gita of Indian administration. It is the Gita of the Kresi. It is the Gita of democracy. Where when the matter is the matter of Indian ethnic classes or ethnic group, you can say here, India has in itself got a completion. Completion in the sense, when the division is made of a human race, you will find it over there, Mongolian is there, you will find it over Dravid is there, you will find it Aryan is there. In certain country, only Mongolian is there, only Aryan is there, only Dravid is there. India is the lone country where almost all the races are there. They are getting different type of diversity of language, different type of culture, different type of law given there. When the matter is the matter of dedication, devotion to the country, they come forward, they come together, and after they just make the combat almost all these situations there just available in India. Recently, you must have seen at Galgan, our Indian army, especially Bihar regiment, they made the China just given a sort of ration that listen China will actually listen and will take for a longer period. Longer period in the sense, it is not 1962 where India got actually defeat, but it is, we can say about that, the present era where Indian army, not to speak of Indian army, almost all the field of India is getting development. Nobody, not a single country can show the eye. If anyone comes, certainly that particular country will be given the retreat you can see here. Now, you must be saying 1920, sorry, 2020. This 2020 brought a kind of tragedy in the sense coronavirus and COVID-19 made the entire world to be really supposed to affected, and people got to be just confined inside the home. Nobody actually tried to come out, maybe because of the fear psychosis, maybe because of the region, they actually got the fear days you can see here. Many a country got affected, many a people were killed, but India made it to be tackled in a nice way, and that nice situation made Indian to be killed, no problem, but even then the death rate of death was actually less than what you can say. Luckily, or you can say about that, with the effort of scientists, India has got this vaccination, and this vaccination is not only meant for Indian, it is meant for even foreigners. Recently, one of the country just giving some sort of thanks by showing the picture of Bajrangbali, you can see here. So it is thought to be so. India doesn't think for himself or for itself, you can see here. India think for entire world, entire country of the world as a whole, you can see here. When you just think of farmers. Farmers were actually not, you can say about that, doing their business for themselves. They make entire country to be really supposed to fed up. They are known as Annadata. When the matter is the matter of army, they are actually fighting particularly atrocity, particularly disturbances, particularly any type of attack to be made on the border, you can see here. Not to speak of that, when the scientists are there, doctors are there, whosoever persons are there, whosoever just actually professionals are there, maybe teachers are there, maybe laborers are there, or maybe you can say that common men are there. No question, they diverse, they get variation, maybe because of the region, their outlook, their culture, but this is the unique culture. Unique culture in the sense, it is unity in diversity. It is unity and diversity, it is looking like a garland, and this garland is really supposed to be fragrant one. This garland is really supposed to be shining one. This is the glowing one you can see here. When you look at our government system, you will find it over that India is the first country during the time of this corona. In fact, Bihar has got the election, and that election was conducted successfully. Not to speak of Bihar, you can say it over that other parts, basically in Arunachal you will find this this Panchayat election was conducted, just defying the challenge of this you can say about that, this COVID-19, you can say. This is what is totally so. Whatsoever obstacle comes, whatsoever barricade comes, whatsoever things comes, that is just, you can say about that, adverse. And this country has got a kind of mission, a kind of whim, that particular thing makes entire thing to be really supposed to be decimated. In the system of government, ours is the federal one. Ours is the considered the presidential form of the supreme head, you can see here. And in Republic Day, you will find it that president becomes all in all, particularly at the apex, you can see here. Besides, all other parts of culture, the cultural displays, exhibitions are actually made. Armies are actually showing the place, you can say that just in Delhi, you can see here. Or so far as our countries are there, nearly this is totally festival, national one. Just along with national festival, you will find 15 August is one, even 2nd of October is there. This is the third one here. Whatsoever things are there, we should have a sort of whim, a sort of deal, and that deal must be actually getting something that is dealt unitedly, that is dealt in a whim, that is considered that touching the sky, you can see here. More I don't want to say, but let me tell you about that in Hindi. जो भरा नहीं है भावों से बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं, वो हृदय नहीं है पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं. Let me tell you one thing. The person whose heart is not filled with emotion, the person who doesn't actually think, that heart of the person is like a stone, and that is not supposed to be light, you can see here. Besides that, there is another quote you can see here. कायर न बनो वीर बनो देश के लालो इस मुर्द पड़ी जात को तुम फिर से संभालो. I mean to say about that, you do not do any wrong. There is no need to just bow your eye. You do not do anything that is untoward. No need to just make yourself to be so possible, you can see. And whatsoever condition is there, whatsoever situation is there, you must face the situation. If you are no need to worry, no need to just fear anyone. Whatsoever person comes, you must be knowing one thing. The persons who are born, certainly that persons are likely to be killed. That persons are likely to be died. So far, your life is concerned, whatsoever period you get, within this short span of time, you must make yourself to be useful one, you are concerned. And this useful one, not by trick, but you can say hat-trick of continuation of work that is assigned to you. Wherever you are, maybe teacher, maybe engineer, maybe doctors, you must give your best. And if you give your best, there is no question that our country will not be coming apex in the years to come. Our country will be really supposed to be just leader in the world, you can see, as it was really supposed to be during the period when Englishmen were living in the forest, but our country was really supposed to be making almost all the inventions, those are requisite particularly for the human civilization. This much, thank you very much. With me, you tell me, Bharat Mata ki Jai! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Republic Day, long live! Republic Day, long live! Republic Day, long live! इसके साथ सबको अभिनंदन, सबको रिपब्लिक डे का wish, or I think we should actually celebrate this Republic Day with such a vim as you saw today. This was, thank you very much.
Good. Thank you, Caleb. Go. Good. Scout guide, Caleb. Go. Special, Caleb. Go.